Alright, guys, we are online, streaming live in the wrong channel, of course, because I haven't figured out my crap. Uh, Also recording, gonna probably upload this to YouTube just for poops and giggles. So, how's it look? Can you guys see alright? I didn't bother to check to see if you were seeing any of my screen, so I guess we're gonna find out after the stream. I cannot see what you're typing because I do not have my multi-monitor set up right now. I had it before, but now I don't. Still trying to move stuff around and get situated. I'm calling it the studio. So we're going to jump into some Battlefield 1. I've been playing this game a little bit lately. Just something different from Counter-Strike. You get tired of Counter-Strike. I've been playing Counter-Strike since 1.6, religiously since 1.6. So yeah, you get a little bit tired of the same old, same old. Oh, I feel a sneeze coming. Holy ping, Batman. Holy ping, Batman. What's going on? Is it because I'm streaming? What the deuce, bro? Why are we so jacked up here? Where's, oh my god. What is going on? It's not Battlefield, because I just was streaming. I mean, it's got to be Battlefield. It's not the internet, because I was just streaming Counter-Strike Global Offensive and everything was fine. Is this... Oh. Did I not... Can you guys not hear anything because I didn't do my speakers? Hold on here. Test, test. Okay. You are getting that. Wow. Maybe this will help restarting the game here. Maybe will help it. Okay, this is set to default, whatever, communication device. We're gonna go ahead and disable my speakers. Go ahead and fire Battlefield back up. Yeah, baby, Shimyu. Shimyu 1 and 2. If you guys don't know, that's it. If you guys haven't experienced that, that's like gaming history. I love that game. Bought a Sega Dreamcast just for that game. And House of the Dead 2, actually. I bought a Sega for like Dreamcast, or I bought a Dreamcast for Shimyu and House of the Dead 2 because I love House of the Dead 2. Little arcade place by my house. It's like really walking distance. And they have like a legit House of the Dead arcade game there, and I'm always on it, pumping quarters into that bad boy. Here we go. We got some normal pings going on here. That's what we needed. We needed a restart, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go find a populated server. Why isn't my pings up top? There we go. That's us right there. We can go ahead and join this map. I believe we're still recording and we're still live. I hope everything's working because I don't have my multi-monitor set up and that sucks. So I cannot see if you are typing or even see if there's anybody in the stream, period. In Corey 3? What? It showed there was only 62 people in the freaking server. There we go. We're in. This is not... I did not install this game on my NVMe drive. So I believe it's on just a regular hard drive. So it should take quite a bit of time to load. You know, there's a whole... there's a lot of BS going on with EA and all their crap right now. And, yeah, I really don't have much to comment on that. I mean, whoever that guy was that said what he said was a real douchebag. So, I believe the only reason that EA is even incorporating ray tracing into Battlefield 5 is to try to help them out, because everybody that bought those graphics cards, they're gonna be like, man, we have no games so that you even utilize this technology yet. Well, Battlefield 5 does, so everybody's gonna pick that up. Okay, I'm getting some like spiky issues going on here. That could be my 8370 though, because it really, I don't think likes. There's something going on with my rig, guys. I get like games crashing for no reason. There's no error message. Blue screens of death like crazy. Let it soak up the environment. Just let it load, soak up this environment a little bit. Oh, hello. Okay, now we're in. Okay, the bad guys are obviously that way. So let's go that way. Come on, baby, soak it up. Ah, come on, man. Real choppy, real laggy. It might be because I'm recording and streaming at the same time, and this game is not liking it. Come on, buddy. Here we go. God, there's just like no place to go. What the fuck is that? It's spray and pray, but you got one bullet shot at a time. Ah, get off of me! You're glitching like a mother trucker. You see him like levitating 2 feet off the ground? And that guy killed me. All the way over there, huh? That's a hell of a shot, buddy. Come on, dude. Yeah, I think it's gonna be time to upgrade here, man. I just got this 8370 like a year ago. I built this computer in 2017, right when Ryzen launched. I built my PC because it was cheaper. I waited, but now it's just not really handling games all that well. The graphics card is great, I believe. It's a 1060 6 gig. Son of a! I shouldn't have shot. I should have shot at that guy. But I don't think the CPU is handling everything I'm throwing at it right now. Throwing too much at it, doing too much. But see, there's no FPS counter going on right now, because if I had an FPS counter, it would show like I'm getting a consistent 60 frames per second. I'm maxed out in 1080p, so. But it's real choppy in some areas, and micro stutters and all that good fun stuff. See, I'm probably getting like 40 or 30 frames per second right now. I can feel it. Give me a target. I want to run into that little, Ah! Run, bitch! I thought I saw a guy. What the fuck? Oh, I thought you were a bad guy. Sorry, buddy. Alright, we can't stay here. We gotta go. Wrong button. Get over there, you penis. It seems, man, really freaking just not liking Battlefield right now. Something feels wrong, man. This is a bad place to sit. Oh, I'm getting shot at. fucking hell. Oh! Just ran. All those guys running around, you shoot at me because I stopped running. That's why. Incoming medics. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Yeah! Where are you, mother trucker? Oh! I heard the artillery incoming. Medic! Oh shit, this guy is good! Run! Oh! Medic! No. Okay, I do not like this map. I just want to make this perfectly clear. There's like way too much going on in this map. I haven't even made it off this freaking mountain. I want to go to A. Well, let's get off the mountain. See if we can sneak our way into A. Alpha, or apples as they call it for some reason. I like Alpha better. I gotta tell you, EA had a set of apples on them to say what they said, boy. Maybe that's why they called it apples. Ooh, look! An aeroplane! I thought that was a bad guy. I'm gonna light up a fucking tree. I better get indoors. I don't feel safe. I still don't feel safe. Ah, that's better. Look at all those guys. They look like ants. They're so far. Need a fucking sniper rifle. I can sneak up on these guys though. That's where we're gonna go. See where that tree just fell? That's where me be. A's right there. We're gonna come like on A's 6 o'clock. Because I have a feeling this little building right here, perfect for a freaking hiding. Right there. Die, motherfucker, die! Oh, shit! Oh, okay. That seemed really close for a second there. Oh shit, where is it coming from? Fuck! Oh, there's it coming from. I think I ran into the grenade. It never even made it to me and I ran towards it. Stupido! I want to be alive. I want to live! Run, motherfucker! Run, motherfucker! Run! Holy fuck! What the fuck? Oh shit. Fuck, fuck, fuck! What the hell is that? What the hell's shooting at me? Is it that damn blimp? Yep, it's a fucking blimp. Oh my god, let's shoot down the fucking blimp! Fuck shooting at me. Oh shit! Fuck! Run, bitch! Oh! The blimp! Nuh-uh! Nice shot, dude. That ain't gonna do shit! Oh, that ain't do shit here! Hey, what the fuck? This is freaking insane. Why am I running underneath it? Oh shit, it's coming right over top of me. Oh my god. Are you fucking serious? Oh shit, time to go. Yep, fucking hell. Oh! What the fuck? No! I wanted to watch it. Curiosity killed the fucking cat. Can I get in the aeroplane? No. Well, what's this? Can I go over here? What is that? Oh, I could have been shooting at the tank with this. Oh, this ain't doing fucking shit. What's... Oh shit, it's a fucking tank! Can I move? No, I can't move. Move, bitch! There you go, go, fucker! Alright, well, you know what? Where did it go? Holy shit! Oh, there it is. Damn! Disappearing tank. I should have stayed in the fucking tank! Oh my god! Can I get in the plane? Not that I know how to fly. Open sesame! Motherfucker. Wait, what does that say? Oh. I'm an asshole. Am I guy? Oh yeah, buddy! Let's go get him! Is it the freaking blimp? No shit, it doesn't disappear? Cool. I hear people like right over here. Nope, maybe not. Son of a bitch! I think we're dead, guys. I think we lost this one. We gotta get C. That guy on a fucking horse? Where the fuck did C go? Ow! That is not C! Fuck! Oh, give me the little tank. Give me, let me see it. I want in. I guess that's a one-seater. Fuck. Go get him, you asshat! Fucking hell, you're in a damn tank! You shoot at me, I'm gonna shoot back. Fuck. That's gotta be a tank or something. Fuck. A shotgun and like a 9mm. Yeah. Oh, I was dead anyways. They were converging. Objective C lost. It's not looking good, gentlemen. It's not looking good. This gun's like a huge piece of garbage because there's 9 fucking rounds in it. Oh, come on. Everybody gets the fucking baby tank but me. That's it. We're gonna go do some stupid shit on a motorcycle. How do I change camera? Oh, there we go. Oh shit! Fucking guy can't drive! Oh my god, this shows the age of this FX8370! I don't even know what the fuck's going on, it's like a slideshow! Get off of me, plick! Okay, I'm running! Get off of me! No! No! Get back on the damn thing! Get the fuck off! Oh, he's off! Wait, plane. Deploy. I'm on the aircraft! Oh shit, I got somebody! I fucking got him! Oh shit, I've been gotten. What the fuck? A sniper rifle? Is the plane gonna crash? Did he kill everybody with the sniper rifle? The fuck was that? Oh shit, we fucking won! Woo! Yo, I was getting some really bad frames there, guys. Something was going on, man. It just did not feel right. That's maybe the reason right there. I don't know. Are we gonna go to a new map? What time is it? My son has my phone. Or is this the same freaking map? I do not like that map. It's the same fucking map, right? I believe so. It's like the same cotton picking map. Damn it, it's the same map. Come on, soak up the environment. The fuck, man? Oh, Mo! Where the fuck did that car go? Oh, somebody saw me. Yo, that sounds really fucking close. No! Oh. Tank! This guy's name is Quit It Beehole. Buddy, we're gonna have dinner here in a little bit. I know, but we're gonna go get dinner here in a little bit. Well, I thought you had the phone. Hey, what time is it? Let me see the phone. I thought you had the phone. I'll open it for you. What time is it? Okay, at 5, we have to do homework. Okay? Oh my god! Oh! Hey! Get off of me! Get off of me! Hey. Yeah. No, buddy, we're gonna eat soon. You should have ate your lunch at school, huh? Actually, I don't think we're gonna eat that soon. So, and I want to go back and watch this. So yeah, all right.
Mic off.
Well, actually, I'm still on camera. So, hey, anyways, I gotta go fix my son a little snack. This was just like a test stream, and I'm recording, which I'm gonna go back and watch. Man, it was really hard to kill anybody, I have to tell you. There's something going on. Didn't like running Battlefield and streaming and recording at the same time. So, we're gonna go ahead and turn everything off, guys. I gotta go fix my son something to snack on. But I love you guys. Be safe and stay humble.